What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Q50, coming to you with another quick video. And today is the day I'm heading on over to Speed Zone again. This time we're going back to Speed Zone Kissimmee, and we're going to be getting the new tires and the wheels installed. I'm going to be getting side skirts, front splitter, rear diffuser, side mirrors, all that installed as well. So the car should basically look like a brand new car. Well, maybe not brand new, but you know what I mean. It's gonna look different. So I also have a little surprise for you guys. So you'll have to stay tuned for that. But I did get a little before sound, so I'll throw that in just before that part is done. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, I want to kind of go over how it's looking right now before we get everything else done. If you didn't see it in the last video, got the roof wrapped. So you at least have an idea of where she's looking now. And I'll do the after as well. Let me know what you guys think once it's done. Alright, I made it. And I'm about to go ahead and get checked in. And we'll kind of go from there. Alright, about to pull it around. Everything is in the car already. They should be good. And it's kind of funny parking next to another Q. Not sure whose it is. But I did see they have an AMS sticker on there, so they working with something. All right. She just pulled up. Car is definitely dope. Make sure you follow her. Check her out online. Sound good too. The color's pretty dope. I always find something pretty cool here at Speed Zone. Either this one or the other Speed Zone. I still need to make it out to Tampa. Haven't seen that just yet. I pulled up as well. Looking pretty good. Sound pretty good. Missed most of the sound, but definitely sound pretty good. All right, came to get a little sneak peek, and she's looking good, looking very good. missed a cold start. Hear the vibration off the wall though. There she goes. Looking pretty good. Sheesh. Loving it. So I'm gonna have to do something with the side skirts. There we go. Nice little teaser. Alright. There she goes. She tucking. I was not expecting all that. Yes, sir.
This thing is crazy, man.
Thank you, thank you. So I could
well deserved, brother.
Thank you. I could definitely fit more because this is 20 by 10. I could put some 11s.
Yeah, you really could if you wanted to.
Yeah. Right. Oof. Yeah. Snapped on that one. All right. So yeah, so like I was saying, I didn't get the side skirts because they're universal and apparently they need to be trimmed down, so gonna have to figure that out. But got the front lip on, or front splitter. Got the mirror caps on as well. I almost didn't even notice. Sheesh. Got that rear diffuser on as well. And this is the ride height. This is the same presets as the stock wheels. Let's see how it feels. I'll update you when I get home. Alright, so I want to go over how it looks now. I wasn't able to get the side skirts on like I mentioned before, but yeah, this is how we looking right now. And sounding. This is the sound. The mic itself is facing me, that's why I turned the camera around, but the idle sound. Mirror caps on there. Front lip. Or front splitter. Let me pause that so I don't keep going on. Definitely let me know what you guys think. There we go. Air it out. Let me know what you guys think. It is pretty low. I didn't think we was gonna be able to tuck those 20s like that, but There she is, as you can see. I won't be ashamed to air out anymore like I was on the stocks. Oh, also, the drive home was pretty good. When it comes to the ride, it's a lot better on these than on the stocks. And it's really noticeable. The only time I had issues was when I was going over a dip or something. Then it bounced like crazy, but just driving normal, it felt pretty good. When it was on the stock wheels, it bounced everywhere. Like you couldn't even go any amount of distance without it bouncing. But yeah, this is how she's sitting for now. We do have a meet that'll be going to, if you're watching this the day it's posted, it'll be today. Yeah, it'll be later on today because I'll be posting this on Friday. So it is Friday. I believe it's the 7th. But yeah, the post will basically have the details on where it's at. But also I found out that Ace Cafe is having the Nissan and Infiniti night. I believe it's on the 19th. You can check their Instagram and their Facebook to get more details, but I will definitely be going to that as well. That's a Wednesday that it'll be. So if you in the Central Florida area, you can meet me at one of those 2 locations and go from there. But yeah, this was a quick journey. I had the car for 2.5 months now, and this is the version 1 that I envision. I mean, plus the side skirts, but other than that, yeah, this is the version 1 that I envision. Everything I want to do up front. I thought about doing a front bumper right away, but that can wait for version 2. But yeah, I'm loving how she's sitting so far. But that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. But before we end it, let's go ahead and do the comment of the day. The comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.